It is feeding time on the homestead. We have had some major rainstorms, so we have plenty of water collecting everywhere. We have a few meat birds that we're going to butcher off soon. We still have 2 male goats that we use for breeding. We have a large chicken pen that we use. You notice we don't have the sides closed in really because it gets hot here in Florida, and it would just be too hot inside for the chickens if we had it totally closed in. Have a couple of rabbit hutches inside the goat's pen. Those, we're about to change some of the fence lines, move things around. To maximize our space a little bit better. We have 60 baby chicks. These are Rhode Island Reds, White Rocks, Americanas, Light Brahmas, and White Laced Red Cornish. They are ready to eat, as you can tell. We just took the brooder light off of them, so they're starting to feather out really well. We've been cleaning up some downed trees, so we got a big pile of trees that we have to burn off. And then over here we have the girls' pen. This is our girl goats. Here they come. I said it's food time. We have some Brahmas, some Cochins, salmon Faverolles in this pen. We're trying to nibble the camera for you. And we have a male and 2 female Americanas in here. They're just mixed. So they were real pretty birds, so I wanted to try to breed them. And Oreo, my mama goat, is trying to nibble my camera. You say hi? You say hi? You gonna lick the camera, huh? Yeah. What is that? And this is her baby Blizzard from last year. And her baby from this year is Avalanche. And he is right there. We have a few small breed chickens that a small cage. It's actually what baby? What baby? Oh, you got ants. Okay. We have a small pen here that it's actually a dog kennel that we've tinned the roof, and we keep a few light breeds. They lay the white eggs in here, and as you can see, they're rather small. One of them's laid an egg for us, but they're not real good at laying, so they're probably going to be dinner before too much longer. We'll have to see. So these are our new little babies. They are just about ready to be weaned. Mama's controlling how much they get. Look at them. Hey there.
Hey, they are just like playing.
But they are having a blast.
Hey,
Of course, the rest of them are still in the nesting box. Hi, Mama. Hey, good girl. Yes, she is. She's a good girl. These are all the babies.
This one's coming to sleep.
Looks like we're going to have some really little friendly guys. They're used to us picking them up and holding them.
It's just jumped in the cave, baby.
We handle them daily to make sure that they are used to us.
Isn't it? I think you're doing a good job, Lynn. He's so cute. Look, he's there. He's
What are you guys doing, huh? What are you guys doing? Right here. Yeah, you gonna come check me out? Yeah, looky there. Oh, they're still young. This is a niece. Then we have Flicker, Sugar, and that's Winter. Stop, stop. This is Sage. She's a pretty girl. These are our daddies. And this big guy, this is Arthur. He's the daddy of the little babies. Guinevere's their mama.
Hey, Arthur, what's up? What's up, buddy?
And then
What's up?
this is Samson. He's the other daddy.
What's up, big guy?
Very friendly. This is one of our most friendly little rabbits we have. He likes to be petted.
You do fast moves.
Very sweet rabbit. That's Samson. I know, Samson, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. And then down here on the bottom, we have Delilah.
Delilah, that's her name. I never figured out her name.
Yep, Delilah is her name. Then we have Dora,
Lancelot.
Lancelot. Oh, this is Beatrice. She's a young mix of Angora and New Zealand. And last but not least, we have Juliet and Bianca. Bianca is Juliet's baby. Juliet is an Angora mix. And then over here we have Skippy. Skippy is one of our most friendly little rabbits. He loves attention. And this is how friendly our little pig is. He thinks he's part of the family. He hangs out with us. He walks around everywhere.
Everywhere we go.
So we have a mulberry bush. It's got a few left on it. The kids have really just went to town eating these. They ate them up, and the birds ate them. So now all we have really is just a few red ones left, and some that are just starting to turn. The asparagus is coming back really well this year. Beautiful. This is our gardening space. We're not really going to use it for much this year. We're working on, I've thrown out some onions that were growing and buried some potatoes that were growing. We've got a few tomato plants out here. Come here, baby. There's an ant bed. Come here. Ant bed, yes. But we're trying to kill off the sawgrass. It has just taken over my garden. As you can see, it's everywhere. So this year we're just going to be putting down leaf mulch and cardboard and everything that we can to try to kill it. And so we're not really going to use this space this year. I'm just going to use my raised beds that I have at my other place. And hopefully next year it'll be ready to go. We have gotten our pig pen built. Of course, my chair is sitting in there right now. But they'll have a nice shelter over there where they can get in out of the weather. Or where he can get in out of the weather. And then this is just the hog panels and the gate. It's about a little more than probably 20 by 16 roughly. And we're right next door to where my sister had her pigs. So we have two pig pens side by side. She's thinking about putting her chickens and turkeys over there. We'll have turkeys coming in from one of the hatcheries later in the year. They're due in July. We have a few more chickens due in June that are coming in from the hatchery. So we have to get all these chickens cages built, and I'm going to start trying to breed the different varieties. And then from there, we're going to probably butcher off some and keep some of the hens for egg layers. But that's what we have done so far around the homestead.